What's up, you guys? So we are installing some side skirts. But before that, we had a little bit of an issue here. So Justin's like little pathway caused some problems while he was backing up. Cracked this, and this actually like went upwards and cracked his lip, which really sucked. I think it was already ripped, but it made it worse. That's what zip ties are for. Look at it. Look at it. Ow! Oh, dang! You little... Dang, he just knocked you in the shins, bro. You're fucking ballooned up. Oh my gosh, dude. So today we're going to use top rivets. There's a rivet gun and then the appropriate size drill bit. Did you get that on camera? He busted his lip? Yeah, no, I missed it. Fuck! He like popped it up and then it was hella messed up. He was so pissed. Karma. Break my fucking shin, he gets some fucking instant karma. So the side skirts that Justin ended up getting, he went with GP Sports, which were, I actually had these on my coupe, my second S13 build. They actually fit really nice. Like you're not having to like force it on there like my side skirts because they're super cheap. And there's a lot of flex on them. And then he also got rear valances. I'm not sure which ones these are, but they look pretty sick. We're just gonna rivet that here so it's flush. Alright, so first we're gonna rivet the rear valances on so that way they're nice and flush. And then we'll get on the side skirts. Start at the front and work our way back. Huh? Start at the front and work our way back. Yeah, we can. I don't know what Justin's
Chili Relleno with chips.
He's eating it like...
It's the Arizona cereal right here.
I don't know about all that. So we're gonna use a 1/8 drill bit with the corresponding 1/8 pop rivets. Get that all nice. If you look, there's a gap there. So we're gonna measure it so that we get right in the middle.
Sorry for the crunching in the background, guys. I'm eating.
Alright. So we'll just stay down here. I say we go up a little bit higher. Oh, that was quick. Nice. Nice. Like, I hate this car. I hate this car!
Actually, it's a really good job, bro.
Alright, so this side's done. Just rivet that on. And looks really good. We need to close the door so that way. So for the side skirts, we're gonna do self tappers on the side by the kick panel, and not kick panel, side panel or whatever it's called. And then we're gonna do some rivets on the sides so that way it's flush. Alright, so we've got some self tappers. The only problem, just only has, that's enough. He has 8 of them, so I'll probably do like 3 on the kick panel. We'll see. We'll probably pop rivet the rest. Yeah, this should work. Alright, so we went ahead and self tapped right here, 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 and here. So now it's all nice and secure. And then, okay, so now we're gonna use the rivets on this. So 1 and 1, or 2 here and 2 there.
Yes. Look at that.
Boom.
Drift time.
Looks so dope. Oh, dang. That's loud.
That was really hot.
I know.
You're like, holy shit.
What's the hell?
So we just got done installing Justin's side skirts. I think they look a lot better now. What kind of valances? Let them know it.
Those are the DorkiDori version 3s for the coupe.
Those actually look pretty sick. They look.
I think they have a US seller too now out of like Nevada, so you can get them pretty quickly.
Yeah, and then those are the GP2, like the Duraflex side skirts, which I actually had on my other coupe, and they look really good on the.
Yeah, they lined up pretty well. I'm really happy. There's not really much gaps in when we were riveting it on, so I'm pretty stoked.
And then we also got the Hella horns finally on there, which you've been holding on to those for a while. So, but yeah, so pretty much it on that. Now all the stuff that we're gonna do on Justin's car is all gonna be motor related. We're gonna get what, cooling stuff and.
Yeah, we're gonna throw a new radiator, dual core. Gotta replace the front main seal. Got a little leak there. And I think it's either the power steering or the rack that needs to be replaced, which is gonna be a little bit difficult task, but let's get everything buttoned up so we can take it to the track. We're gonna rent out the track soon too.
So we're gonna rent out the track soon. I'm gonna add shims to the Skyline so I can drift that, because I don't know if I'll have the my 240 done here. I still need to get a clutch and the wiring, and then get the engine bay ready, and then we're pretty much ready to go. All right, you guys.
Thanks for tuning in again for another episode of Drift Magic.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Later, guys.
Later.